Gaming Guy 88 here with another video, and this is an unboxing of the Midnight Black PS5 DualSense wireless controller. Now, this controller was recently released alongside the Cosmic Red PS5 controller, and they were released at the same time on June 18th. I obviously got the black one, and I got mine from GameStop. So let's check out the box here. First, got the picture of the controller on top, got PlayStation logo, Sony logo, DualSense wireless controller for PS5. Now, the DualSense controller in general does not work on PS4. It only works on PS5 and PC, so just not PS4, like the Series X controller works on Xbox One, Xbox Series X and S, as well as PC. Let's lift this up and try to open this best we can with one hand. And we have another, well, not another, but a tab here to pull this box open. Okay, and we finally have it open. There's the instruction manual right there. And wow, there it is right there. Solid black all the way through. Yeah, because on the white controller and the Cosmic Red controller, this part down here still is black, but on this controller, it's all black all the way through. And got the directional buttons here, thumbsticks here, speaker there, the PlayStation button there, or that's the home button rather. Got the microphone right there, and that button mutes it. Got the headphone jack down there. Got the buttons up here and the touchpad. Got the face buttons here. And on top, got the adaptive triggers as well as the L1 and R1 buttons and the USB Type-C port. So yeah, I really like how this controller looks, and it'll definitely be my default controller that I use from now on with my PS5. So yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching, and until next time, you all take care.